Hello, this is Cody here at WMSOhio.com. Today we're going to show you a Ford 9000 dump truck. Overall, it is in fair to rough condition. Runs good, drives good. Newer batteries. Does have some rust going on. Some rust on the frame. Several other blemishes on the exterior. Dump bed is in good working condition along with the truck. Make a really nice farm dump truck. Tires are in pretty decent shape. Gonna call the front tires about 35%. Rear tires are mixed match. Interior is in pretty rough condition. As you can see, the seat's got several tears. Go ahead and start it up here for you. Starts right up. We'll go ahead and lift the bed for you. See, the bed is going up. Put her back down. She ain't a beauty, but she works pretty good. Again, this is Cody here at WMSOhio.com, showing you a 1979 Ford 9000 dump truck.